In this video, I'm going to show you how to freeze header rows and header columns in Google Sheets. So it's pretty simple. The first thing you need to do is have a Google Sheet open, and then have a header row. In this case, my header row is here and my data is below it. So all you have to do is click on this first cell here and go to View and click on Freeze One Row. Now, when I scroll to the bottom, I can still see what these information here is referring to. So you can do one row, or you could even do up to, if you click on the third, you could go View, Freeze, up to row 3. And now if I had even more information up top that I wanted to refer to, I can go and do that as well. So I'm going to actually remove my freeze there. So as you can see now, with it off, I can't see what the information is referring to at the top. You could also do this for columns. So if I had a header column here, let's say insert one column left, with a right click you can do that. Then you could actually freeze, you can go to View, Freeze One Column, and now if I have information all the way to the right, I can see what that is referring back to as well. So hopefully this is helpful for you, and if there's any questions, please feel free to reach out. My email is joe@tbsmo.com.